I'd be the man. I'd be the man. Right turn dive, you didn't merge in there early enough. I gotta nitpick your driving because I run this stupid channel. All the commenters hate me, but I don't really care. I've done this for 10 fucking years. I'm never gonna stop. Why should I stop now?
Let's do the advertising here for the week. Squarespace.
Oh, time for the right turn. Nice cutoff.
This podcast is sponsored by. Are trying to sell something online. They've got everything you need, all in one.
Why not? 2 in a row. Looks like my invisibility cloak is on today. Fuck Rochester. Oh, my freaking red light run. Where are you going, dude? What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? No, it's like I'm talking to my cat. What are you doing? What are you doing over here? Stop clawing at the carpet. I have to pay for it. Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Two of them dive for the left turn lane and nice cutoff as well. I'll make it. I didn't run it. Stop yelling at me.
Gronkowski, dude. Gronkowski had hands. He had
really?
He actually reached out high, grabbed the ball, and then yards after the catch.
Yeah, exit dive.
They just went after his fucking legs.
Yeah, to pay more than the cheapskate done it.
Was the whole thing
really?
You know, I mean, someone's going to give him the world to come to their team.
Oh.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Right turn lane dive. Are you going to do it too, Screwbrew? No, you're not. You're going to drive like a normal person. Good job. The country's proud of you.
We think something is not right here, and we won't know that until we find it. I don't know what the hell that means, and I'm not aware of another search in which the FBI...
Exit dive.
The FBI has been
he was being a douche this whole
involved in
time.
Environmental...
No, why not? I'll go to the airport. Nice cutoff. Of course. So you old turd. Oh look, you cut off someone else. What a surprise. Seriously? Yeah, take your time. Yeah, no one's in a hurry today. Of course. Was that an exit dive? I'll check. No, stop! No! Red light, run. Red light, run. Jesus knew you ran the red light all night long, and he's been telling me that you ain't alright. I think I sang this song before as a red light run song. Maybe. I don't know. I make up these lyrics as I go. Wait, that was straight from a left turn lane.
So I can finish this if I may. And so the idea that people might be insincere,
No, stop.
or they're diminished cognitively, a lot of tremendously intelligent and peer review. And as someone who is motivated, if you are motivated scientifically, you can't expect to make a phone call.
Yeah, I blew right through that stop sign. Good thing I kind of stopped.
Line say, oh, well, I'm glad you did. Thanks so much, John.
Red light, run.
And it's going to be a positive thing as we try to figure out
No,
how
stop.
to get out of this. All right? All right. Well, that's it. Enjoy the sports.
No, stop. Come on, you can do it. Wait, why'd you go over there if you wanted to be in this lane? And that was a dual turn back there too, and you were in front of me. No, stop. Toyo turn. No, stop. Nissan drivers. God, they're the worst. And thank goodness you stopped, Screwbaroo. Red light, run.
To start your mortgage over again and build your dream house. That's a,
No, stop.
I mean, the good thing is,
No, stop. No buses in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no buses in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. But we're obviously not in Connecticut. We're in Buffalo on the thruway. They're allowed here, so it's fine. I just have to sing the song because I need the excuse to sing it because, well, that's what I do in my videos now, I guess. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!